You have the square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 2x minus 3 equals the square root of 11 minus x. Three radicals again. But there's one radical here. I mean, there's one term that's purely radical. And that's enough to know that we can square it because of that. So we can square both sides. Now squaring this means we expand it and we FOIL it later on. So we have the square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 2x minus 3 times the square root of x plus 2 is the square root of 2x minus 3. All right, we already know the square of this. It's just 11 minus x. That's the easiest part there, right? Let's FOIL this. Square root of x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 is going to be x squared of x plus 2 squared, right? So square root of x plus 2 squared, and here it's going to be the square root of x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. Inner, same thing. It's the same thing. We have x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 there inside. 11. Oh, wait. No. I forgot one thing. I forgot this. Square root of 2x minus 3 times square root of 2x minus 3, it's going to be plus square root of 2x minus 3 squared equals 11 minus x. Let's simplify it. The square root of the square of x plus 2 is simply x plus 2. Now these are like radicals, so we can add 1 plus 1. You have 2 x plus 2, 2x minus 3, and the square of this simply 2x minus 3. Right, so that's a square, like a clearly 2x minus 3. And that's equal to 11 minus x. Combine like terms, x plus 2x here, 3x, right? And then 2 minus 3, negative 1, just copy this. Plus 2 square root of x plus 2 times the square, x plus 2 times 2x minus 3 equals 11 minus x. Now we get rid of this. So we do minus 3x, minus 3x there, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Now here's our result. 0, 0, bring down 2. The square root of the same radical, and that's equal to 10 minus 4x. And we need more space for this. After which, we divide both sides by 2, right? Divide by 2. We'll now cancel 2. And this is now the square root of x plus 2 times the quantity 2x minus 3 equals, all right, you see that we have 10 minus 4x. We can divide each by 2, right? 10 divided by 2, 5. Negative 4x divided by 2, negative 2x. And that simplifies it. And then finally, we square. Square. What's the square of this? It's simply your radicand. So we have x plus 2 times 2x minus 3. And expand this, and we FOIL it later on. Oh, we FOIL both sides. FOIL. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 minus 3 times negative 3. minus 6 again, then same thing here. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times negative 2, negative 10x, and negative 2 times 5, negative 2x times 5, negative 10x, negative 2x times negative 2x, positive 4x squared. Wow, so many terms to simplify, I mean to combine, all right? You have 2x squared, negative 3x plus 4x is positive x, minus 6. We start from the x squared, 4x squared, negative 10x plus minus 10x, negative 20x, plus 25. 4x squared is bigger, so that means that let's take all the terms to the right, since we have a leading term that's bigger. So we get rid of this. Let's make the left side 0, minus 2x squared, minus x, plus 6. Here, same thing, minus 2x squared, minus x, plus 6. And so we now have 0, 4 minus 2, 2, negative 20, minus 1, negative 21, and then 25 plus 6, you have 31. Oh wait, I think you didn't see that one. All right, so we have 0 equals 2x squared minus 21x plus 31. All right, 2x squared minus 21x plus 31. All right, let's factor this. The result is quadratic, but we cannot factor immediately yet. We have to do AC method here. So 2 times 31, 61. We find the factors of 61 whose sum is negative 20. Oh, 61, 62. All right. Whose sum is negative 21. Do we have any? Let's try to factor. Seems like there's something wrong. We cannot factor 62 sums negative 21 because of this mistake. The mistake there is this. 11 plus 1 is not 10, it is 12. All right. Sorry about that math. It should be 12. All right. So this one is totally not correct. All right. Anyway, because we cannot factor this one. So I suspect that there's something wrong, and gladly we found it. Now hopefully we can find the values. So this one is right, x plus 2, 2x minus 3, divided by 2 is 6 minus 4x. All right, and then same process. So we square this, square. Of course, we can write this twice and FOIL it later on. We have the square root of, oh wait. All right, we can simply cancel this, right? So now this is x plus 2 times 2x minus 2, but this one needs to be expanded, right? Expanded, I should say. We have 6 minus 4x times 6 minus 4x. All right, now we have x times 2x here, 2x squared, x times negative 3, negative 3x, 2 times 2x, you have 4x, 2 times negative 3, negative 6, and now here 6 times 6, 36, 6 times negative 4, negative 24x. You can use special product here if you want. Negative 4x times 6, negative 24x, and then negative 4x times negative. Why do I always commit mistake here? It should be 2x. All right. 2x. That's a mess, right? 2, 2. That's a 2. Okay, so maybe I'm tired. Well, this is negative negative, okay, let me just erase this, equals 36 minus 12x, negative 2x times minus 12x plus 4x squared. And then we combine like terms. Combining like terms, you have 2x squared plus x minus 6. And this is 36 minus 24x plus 4x squared. Combining like terms, we now have, all right, we should have rearranged this. Okay, anyways, let's rearrange it. Okay, plus 4x squared here minus 24x plus 36. Let's make this side 0. So this is minus 2x squared minus x plus 6. Same thing, minus 2x squared minus x plus 6. Hopefully this one is correct. All right, 4 minus 2 minus 25x plus 42. Okay. Then equals 0 here. Let's do AC. It seems, yes, I think like it's now correct. AC method, yes. Now do AC method there. So let's multiply. We don't have a GC yet. So let's multiply 2 times 42. You have 84. All right. A product of 84 whose sum is negative 25. So let's do that here. 84 product 84 sum 25. What are those? Let's list down. I have a strong feeling it's now correct. Okay, so we have 84 here. We're looking for a negative 25, so both must be negative. All right. Of course, we can try every factor. We can have 1 and 84. What else? We can have 2 and 42, but the sum is not, it's not negative 25. We can try 3. No, it's not. Oh, 3. Is it possible for 3? What's 84 divided by 3? 28. So 328, but the sum is negative 31. Divisible by 4, yes. All right. 4, 21. What's the sum? Negative 25. Now we found the correct factors. It's now negative 4 and negative 21. Okay. So I think we have all the factors needed now. But the next step is to write the factors. Note that we have 2x here. So what are your factors? It will be 2x minus 4, and then 2x minus 21. But we need to simplify one of them or two of them. 2, 4. What number divides 2, 4? It's gonna be 2, right? So of course we have x minus 2 here, 2x minus 21. All right, now let's solve for x by setting its factor to 0. We have x minus 2 equals 0, or 2x minus 21 equals 0. Of course, plus 2 here. Your x is equal to 2. How about here? Plus 21 plus 21. You have 2x equals 21 divided by 2. X will be 21 over 2. All right, which one here do you think is the solution? Of course, I already know the solution here. The answer here is x equals 2, but we need to check. This one is not. It's not. But let's show both. Let's show both. So, wow, yeah, I've got 4 papers here for this number. Right. Let us check. X equals 2. The original equation, all right, let's go to the original equation. It's this. Square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 2x minus 3 equals the square root of 11 minus x. So let's plug in 2. This is 2 plus 2. Plug in x, 2. It's times and then 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2, 9 here. 4. 4 minus 3 here. 1. All right, square root of 4. Square root of 1. Square root of 9. 2 plus 1. Right. So I told you I'm correct. Okay. So x is equal to 2. But there's one more thing to prove. This one I said is, where's that one? This one is a solution, right? Let's verify that. Let's verify it. All right, so this is now the 5th paper for this. Okay, let's have a, what was that? Okay, x equals 21 over 2. Okay. It's not a solution, but let's verify it. Let's verify it to our equation. Wow. X is 21 over 2, so we have 21 over 2 plus 2. 2 times 21 over 2 minus 3. Then 11 minus 21 over 2. All right, so maybe we can change 21 over 2 to decimal. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Okay, it's 20. Okay, 10.5. Now this is 10.5 plus 2. We can cancel this. It's going to be 21 minus 3. 11 minus 10.5. All right, 10.5 plus 2. Square root of 12.5. Square root of 21 minus 3. 18. And then 11 minus 10.5 is 0.5. Well, square root of 0.5, you cannot add this because they are different numbers. But when you use your calculator, it's not actually equal. So let's say square root of 12.5 plus square root of 18, they're not equal. It's 7.77, while the square root of 0.5 is 0.7. So they're not really equal. And by just looking at this, look, you cannot add this because they are different radicals. And it's impossible that it becomes 0.5. So this one is false. Okay? That's why it's not a solution. That's why this one, this one is not a solution. Even if you simplify this, it's still not a solution because you can simplify this. Right, so that's the other value of x.